Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. So I've been feeling so lazy to shoot videos. Okay, I have to put this camera on the ring light, but I don't have time, and I'm not supposed to use TikTok for this video, but guys, I don't have time for editing, and so let me just use TikTok to make this video. There's this pills I got from Amazon for hair growth. I bought a lot of hair pills and none of them worked. This in combination of my home remedy, that video is coming up. I'm still on it, I'm editing it. These pills is like magic on earth, right? I got these pills last year and I'm someone who don't like taking pills, so I had to give it to my friend. Okay, after my friend took the pills for like 2 weeks, she started seeing results. So she told me and I was like, oh, then I have to get a new one. I went back to Amazon and checked the reviews, and OMG, when I saw the before and after, I said, okay, let me just buy it fast. So I ordered this one like 7 months ago, and if you see the wonders this thing has done for my hair, like my hair, my skin, my nails, my nails grew like wild what? But I don't like keeping my nails so long, so I always trim my nails. But at least you can, although I'm using TikTok filter, but you can see that my skin, the knuckles, everything is clear. So without further ado, just stay tuned and watch the video till the end. I'll be showing some before and after pictures of when I started taking these pills and now. Like the last picture you will see is a picture of yesterday. No, it's like a video and pictures of yesterday when I washed my locks. So just buy it. I will leave the link in the description box. This video is not sponsored in any way. The name is Vitamay's Amazing Life and the product is biotin plus zinc plus selenium. Okay, and this one is like from the German brand, but they have the English brand where you can read all ingredients and description in English. You are supposed to take 1 pills a day. It comes in 365 tablets, like pills inside this container. But me, I like everything like overdose, so instead of taking 1 pills, I increased the dosage to 2 pills because the 1 pill I was not really seeing results. I wanted the results so fast, so I took 2 pills at a time. So watch till the end and then okay, drink more water so you don't get breakage, acne and stuff, pimples on your face. Bye.